Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDC wallet address on Kraken. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Kraken application. Once you have logged into your Kraken application, you need to click on portfolio at the bottom and select deposit button at the bottom. Now you need to choose deposit crypto. Now in the search bar you need to search for USDC and simply select USDC coin. Now you need to choose a network, so simply select any of these networks. I will be selecting here Solana because it requires minimal fees. Click on this, and before that make sure to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on Solana. Now read this instruction carefully regarding deposit USDC. After reading, you need to click on I understand, and here you can see your USDC wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy address to copy this, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDC wallet address on Kraken.
If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.